Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the differences between our fitting and the other fitting that is commonly seen in the market. First of all, please see the rectangular part. As you can see, our ear is longer than the other fitting. In the next photo, apparently our arm is 1 mm thicker than the other fitting. In the following video, I will let you know what our advantage is while our ear is longer and the arm is thicker. When you insert the adapter into female portion, you can easily press the arm down and finish the coupling. For the other fitting, with the same strength, we still cannot press the arm down. Here you can have a closer look of the detail for both fittings. Now we are going to do the weight test. As you can see, the weight of our fitting is 1008 grams. And the weight of the other fitting is 648 grams. This video proves that our fitting is made of high quality stainless steel and is also more reliable. If you are interested in our fitting, you may visit our official website or email us. Thank you for your watching.